When to sell a WordPress care plan to your clients. My name is Neil Matthews and I built and sold an agency based around WordPress care plans, so I know exactly the right time to sell a care plan to your clients. So when should I sell a care plan? As a WP developer, we all know that recurring care plans are great for our business. It brings in money each month and we don't have to find new clients. But it is a tricky thing to sell. You've got to approach it at exactly the right time. This is my experience on when to try and sell a care plan to your clients. Can you sell a care plan cold? No. That's it. No, you can't. It's a back-end service. I've spent literally thousands of dollars on ads trying to sell care plans to cold clients, to new clients. The idea that we bring in somebody cold, sell them a recurring service is an amazing idea, but it just doesn't work. I found I couldn't even sell free trials to new people. Nobody wants it if they don't know who you are. So that client needs to know, like, and trust you to buy a subscription like a care plan. You can only do that on the back end. So the first time I like to start talking about care plans is at the discovery phase. So you're speaking to a client for the first time, or it's an existing client and you're talking about a new project. Send them to the sales page and tell them about the new care plan that you're offering, to prime them and let them know that there's a care plan available for them. Don't try to sell it then and there, just mention it's available to them. Next, put it as an optional line item on your quotes. Say for example you've got an ongoing maintenance plan, mark it as optional and it costs X dollars per month. Link your sales page from your quote so they can go and have a look what your care plan is all about. Always be talking about your care plan through the sales process. Sell time, it's post-project. You've had a successful project with a client, it's completed well, everyone's happy. Strike now while the iron's hot. After a project is completed and you're in that warm glow of successful project, that's when you sell a care plan. The way I do it is with a post-project email sequence. I put clients into my sequence and it does the following. Checks in after about 3 days to say, is the project, has it gone well? Are you still happy? Are there any issues? Next day, that's when I strike, that's when I sell my care plan. It doesn't end there. After 7 days, I'd ask for a testimonial, 14 days, I ask for a referral, and then 90 days thereafter, I reach out and ask them if they want more work. But it's automated and I ask them after a project's completed, do they want the care plan? If you just start your care plan and you have an existing group of clients on your email list, email them, link to your sales page and try to sell them that way. I found a lot of success when I first started my care plan to bring in new people that way. Mention it at discovery and at the quotes and after any future projects with your existing clients. So that's the way I sell my care plans, and it's always as a back-end service. Please don't waste any money on ads. If you'd like to go a bit deeper, I've got a free course. Check it out. It's called Why All Freelance WordPress Developers Should Offer a Care Plan. If you go to neilmatthews.com/free-course, you can go and see that in-depth mini course. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more videos about the business of WordPress care plans.